Hello everyone, how are you today? Excellent, here we are again, and this time we're gonna talk about the time. Time goes by so slowly. Yes, time goes by. Yes, so let's talk about time. What is this, everybody? Yes, this is a clock, and the clock is used to measure the time, to tell the time, yes? And what do you see in this picture? Do you see two sides of a day? Yes. Do you see this is the bright side, the daytime, and this is the night time? Yes. And what do you see here? A month. Yes. What month is it? January. This is part of the calendar. We divide the year in 12 months because we measure time with our calendar, yes, and the timing in the clocks. Okay, let's have a look of all these time measurements. Okay, first of all, we need to know three essential words: before, now, and after. What do you see here? This is a line, yes, but this not any type of line. No. This line is called timeline. A timeline is a line in where we put things, events, things that happen to us in order, in chronological order. What does it mean? Oh, what a word! Chronological order. It means that we put things that happen before to the left here, things that happens now in the middle, things that will happen in the future after in the right. Okay, or so we put them in order. Okay, so let's have a look at before. Before you are in school, you had your breakfast at home. Yes. After waking up, oh, good morning, mommy, daddy. I'm gonna have my breakfast. Yes, you have your cereals or your orange juice before going to school. Now you are in this class. Imagine you are in the classroom. Yes, so you are in class now. So before coming to school, you had your breakfast before, and after you finish school, you will go home. So three words: before, now, and after. Okay, that is very clear. So, for example, what do you do at lunchtime? Okay, now you are in lunchtime. Imagine you are eating now. You're having your lunch. Yes, here you go. This is you eating your lunch. So, what did you do before eating your lunch? What did you do? What do you do every day before you have your lunch or your dinner or your breakfast? Yes, that's correct. Before eating, we wash our hands. Yes, before, wash your hands. What do you do after eating? What do you do after you have your breakfast? Excellent. Brush your teeth. Every time you eat, when you finish eating, you have to brush your teeth. Excellent. So eat, and before that, wash your hands, and after that, brush your teeth. Okay, here we have another timeline. Do you see the line? Yes, this is a line, and there are some events. This is an event, another event here, another event here, another event here, and another event here. If in a timeline, we put the events in order. Okay, so if we go from the left to the right, we have to put the oldest event on the left. So, what's in the middle? The middle is today. What day is today? Tuesday. Imagine that today is Tuesday. Okay. So, what comes before Tuesday? Yesterday. And what is before Tuesday? What day is before Tuesday? Yesterday was Monday. Yes, if today is Tuesday, yesterday was Monday. And to the left, Let's go to the left once more again. So before yesterday, if today is Tuesday and yesterday was Monday, what day was before yesterday? The day before yesterday was Sunday. That's correct. Okay, so we put them in order: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay, if today is Tuesday, what day will tomorrow be? Wednesday. Yes, excellent. Okay, in order, yes? In order. And how do we call the day after Wednesday? If today is Tuesday and tomorrow will be Wednesday, the day after tomorrow will be Thursday. Yes, correct. Okay, so in a timeline, all the events are in order. The oldest here in the left and the newest here to the right. Can we put Thursday here and Sunday here? Is this correct? No, 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 because Thursday, it goes after Wednesday, not before Monday. Before Monday goes Sunday. Yes? Here is before and here is after. Yes? The timeline, remember? Good. Okay, so at the beginning we saw a watch, a clock, and we know that we tell the time using a clock. So we know how to measuring time. We measure the time by hours, yes, with the clock. This is a little hour, yes. But this circle, the second circle, is bigger. Oh, do you see? This is a little circle, this is bigger. So 1 hour is little, and a day, how many hours has one day? Okay, let me see. 24 hours. Yes, so that's why the day, the circle, is bigger than the hour, because here there are 24 of these little hours. Okay, so one day has 24 hours. Okay, so look at this circle. This is bigger than the 24 hours. This is bigger than a day. What is it? It is a week. A week. Okay, so how many days are there in a week? You know that, don't you? 7 days. 7 days in a week. 7 days in a week. Okay, so this circle, the week, is bigger than the day because we have 7 days and this is just 1 day. Okay? Okay, let's continue with the bigger circles. Wow, this is big. This is even bigger than the week. Look, bigger. What is it? It is the month. Okay, so how many of these days are there in a month? Yes, that's right. 30 or 31 days per month except February. Okay, February has 28, but never 30, 31. Okay. Okay, and finally, the biggest of the circles, the biggest. Woo! Okay, so what could it be? This is, of course, the year. Okay, and how many days are there in a year? 365. 365 days in a year. Wow, that's a lot, yes? Okay, so you know how to measure time by the hour, the day, the week, the month, and the year. Let's have a look at the timeline of this man. This is timeline, yes, as we said, is a line. Here is a line, and in which when we put in order events, this is one event, another event, another event, another event. Okay, and they are in order. Look. The first thing that happens in anybody's life is the birthday, the day that someone is born. Okay, I was born in 2007. Okay, so you were born this day. This is the first thing that happened to you. And the last thing that this timeline tells us about this man is I have a grandson. Oh, and he is 65 years old. So this man now is 65 years old and he has a grandson. Not a son, a grandson. Okay, excellent. So this is the timeline. Put things in order. Okay, can we put this here and this here? Can we move this photograph here and this event here, I was born, to the right and this to the left? No. Why? Because we put things in order. In the left, the things that are in the past, and in the right, the things that are here, now, at the present or in the future. Okay? Cool. Okay, so we are saying that the timeline has to have an order. Okay? So when we use the numbers in order, we call them ordinals. These are the ordinals in English. We don't say number one thing happened to me. No, we say the first thing that happened to me. Number two thing happened to me. No. We say the second thing that happened to me. We don't say number three thing happened to me. No. We say the third thing that happened to me, or the third thing that I remember, or the third thing that I want to talk about. Look at the ordinals in the timeline. Look, the first thing is he is born. We don't say number one thing. No, we say the first thing. Look, first, yes? And it's number one, ST. Cool. We don't say he starts school is the number two thing in the in timeline. No, it's the second thing in the timeline. It's the second event in the timeline. Okay, we don't say number two. We say second because it's in order. Okay, the numbers in order: first, second. We don't say he goes to London in number three. We say he goes to London is the third event in this timeline. Yes, this is the timeline. 1, 2, 3. Now, first, second, third event. Okay, the same thing with the number 4. We don't say the number 4 event is that he has a son. No, we say the number fourth, yes, is he has a son. And finally, the last event in order, is the fifth. The fifth thing that happened to him is he has a grandson. Okay. Okay, we don't say the number 5 event of his timeline. No. We say the fifth event of this timeline is when he had a grandson. Excellent. Well, we need to remember all these numbers, I'm afraid. Okay, so from now on, we don't say today is number 1 of January. No. We say today is the 1st of January, if it's this day, yeah. What day would be this number? What day would it be? The number 4. We say today is the number 4 of January. No. We say today is the 4th of January. Yes. The same thing with, for example, what number is this? This is number 3. Do we say today is number 3 of January? No. We say today is the 3rd of January, or January the 3rd. Okay? January the 3rd of today is the 3rd of January. Yes? Okay.